It's early morning, Horton in Ribblesdale. It's been raining overnight again, but dry just now. So sunglasses on. GS is ready. Breakfast in the Lake District. Penny again looks amazing, hidden in the clouds this morning. °9 so it's a bit chilly for June, but fine when you've got the right gear. It's a rare commodity, sunshine this week, or this weekend for me, but here it is, just a dash. It's quite attractive after it's been raining and the sun comes out. What's great about early Sunday mornings is the lack of traffic. It's not that early, 9 minutes past 7. The E65 is pretty clear. Still quite wet roads, but with that sun out, hopefully they'll dry quite quickly. Then again, it's probably going to rain again later. Enjoy the sunshine while it lasts, and the empty roads while they last. Clouds that way are over the Lake District where I'm going. So is it raining where I'm going to have breakfast? Soon find out. The usual road to Bowness and Windermere is closed for resurfacing. So I'm taking a slightly longer route. This will take me through Kendal, I think. This is the A65. I'll put it on the map. I'll put a map up and show you where I am. It's nice here. The edge of the Lake District and the edge of Yorkshire Dales. I've just entered the Lake District. Hooray! It's a lovely road. This is the B, I'll put it up on the screen, the back way to Bowness and Windermere from Kendal. As you can see, it's pretty wet, so a steady ride for me. But all the better for going slowly because I can enjoy the views more. I'm on Windy Hall Road according to the sat-nav. Coming up to Windermere soon. The lower end of Windermere. We'll go over here. GS ready. Just had a great breakfast again at Cafe Italia. Now to tackle the Kirkstone Pass. I don't think it's a particularly challenging pass, but it will be fun. This is a lovely road out of Windermere, or out of Bowness on Windermere I should say. Very moody over there. Plenty of rain going on. After all, the Lake District has some of the wettest spots in Britain. What views! What a day! Drama! Look at that view ahead! Last year I took the Hard Knot and Wine Rose passes, which were hazardous if you were to meet something coming the other way. This pass, though, I fear will be tame in comparison. Kirkstone Pass, as you can see, is not particularly challenging, but it's a particularly wet road, so as you know, I'm careful and it's not a day for cranking it. Road surface here isn't brilliant either. I can imagine on a sunny, warm afternoon, this could be a lot of fun on a GS, even a sports bike. Just below the clouds here. So those of you who want to see a challenging pass, not unlike this one that isn't very challenging, take a look at the link coming up at the top of the screen now, and it will link you to last year's trip where I visited the Hard Knot and Wyrose Passes. Oh, we're in the cloud now, look at this. In terms of drama, visually, on a day like today, when you're heading into the clouds, yeah, it's cool. It's quite something, isn't it? Riding up in the clouds. Now it's downhill time. I'll keep the camera running because this is quite eerie, really, with boulders and rocks there sticking out of the fog. Not fog, is it? Out of the cloud. Ah, look at that, look at that vista. Wow, that's fantastic. Definitely worth taking this trip, guys. Especially on a day like today, with the moody cloud making it more dramatic than ever before. Oh, here comes the rain. Or is that just what's coming off the trees? Yeah. Proper blobs of rain now. There we are, Ullswater. Wonderful. It's a very different landscape, the Lake District, to Yorkshire Dales, and get so close. Much more severe mountains, the deep lakes, glaciation. Even the houses and buildings are quite different. So I'm heading round the very top of the Lake District. Roads I've not been on before. I'm on the map where I am at the moment. And from here, we keep going up all the way. Well, that's the plan at the moment, but who knows what may change. My plan is to go all the way up to the coast, to Solway Firth, the very top of Cumbria, running along the bottom of the foothills of the upper Lake District. This is a route I've always wanted to try out over many years. Never done it in a car, anything. So it's about time. There's some pretty little hamlets along this this route. Very nice indeed. Fantastic rocks here. Bet not many motorcyclists come along here. Definitely recommend this for a more gentle ride. Oh, Ford. Is it going to be deep? Brilliant. Oh, I can smell the gorse. Wonderful. How excellent is this? What a vista that is. Well, that's absolutely gorgeous road. Most attractive. Absolutely wonderful. This is a quaint place. How nice. Wow. That's a hell of a view. Looking across the Solway Firth into Scotland. Great. It's one of the most enjoyable journeys I've made for a long time. Really enjoying today. I would love a view like that. The house has got a great view. If you can see that house in front, it's wonderful carved, topiary. These houses are set up nicely, just in case of flooding. Very nice. So I'm joining now very shortly the Solway Firth. At some point soon, the start of Hadrian's Wall. Cardinuk, the water's edge, or mud edge at the moment with the tide out. This is somewhere not many people come on holiday, I would guess. Not many tourists come here. Probably not many motorcyclists. What a great place. Massive transmitters or receiver there. I don't know what that's for. Listening station, I would guess. Anyway, look at this. How attractive is this? These houses still look very old. What view they've all got. Went over there to the Lake District. Still covered in rain. We're still in Cumbria here. It's just a small inlet. I'll put up on the map exactly where I am. What a super place. If it was touristy here, there would be a coffee tea room, but there isn't. Oops. Private road. Must go to the antennas, I guess. I'll look up what they're for. I would guess it's a receiving station, listening station of some sort, and I'll put it on the screen. Up there. Maybe here or down there. I have to point and then put the words in a different spot because it doesn't suit. On the screen somewhere. These antennas absolutely dominate. Stop here. I wonder what this building was for. Some sort of bunker type building. And over here, the antennas. Quite good condition. So are they receiving, transmitting, a bit of both? I'd say quite very much in the shortwave spectrum. Only a radio amateur's dream, that. So most interesting location, this. Really feels so remote. Scotland over there. Quite windy here on the coast. One of those bunker looking buildings. What are they for? This could be the site of a home chain radar, I wonder, originally. I shall have to look that up. If it is, it will tell you on the screen if I'm right or wrong. How unspoilt is this? Places that no tourist ever visits, and all the better for it. Or if I was starting a trend here, probably not. I need to keep an eye out for where Hadrian's Wall started. These trees are interesting. Wonderful coastal ride. Camper van's taking the option not to use the campsite. Good spot to do it, I guess. Do it. To park your camper van, that is. RSPB, Wetland Centre. House for sale. To the left is a buttress, what's left of the railway that used to go across the Solway Firth. That's where it was, the line. Now where does Hadrian's Wall start? A house for sale? Cracking location. As long as you don't get a huge spring high tide. Let's stop here. Ah, look, a sign. Rome 1,150 miles. How great's that? Rome, 1,150 miles. Ah, here we are. Wall's End, 94 miles. It's the start of it then. The start of Hadrian's Wall. This is great. Gonna stop for a few minutes. This is bonus on Solway. That unspoilt place. Oh, it's even got a pub, look at that.